Hi everyone, this is Narsimha. In this video, I am going to explain how to create company in S4 HANA. First of all, what is the difference between S4 HANA and previous versions? We will try to understand. First, SAP established in 1972. That time version is R1. After that, 1979, it is a R2. 1992, it was a R3. And before S4 HANA, it is a ECC version. That version duration is 2004 to 2015. After 2015, SAP launched a new version, SAP S4 HANA. Approximately S4 HANA and ECC version, it is a oddly 10% difference. Remaining everything, options and everything is same. What is the major difference between ECC version and S4 HANA is database. Earlier, data stored to Oracle, SQL and servers. Now S4 HANA is a database. It is a SAP own database. And every video I am providing a notes. These notes available in my ECC version videos. Earlier I taught complete ECC version SAP MM course. Around more than 50 videos available for SAP MM complete course, consultant course, and few of videos available for end users, few of videos available for FI, few videos available for SD. I'm providing this complete notes and this Excel training file. It This Excel training file is complete, depends on real-time examples only. If you pick any company, options will be same. In my classes, plant code is SA01. In real time, it might be IN01, INHYD. Based on company requirements, company options, they'll create. But just changes is only letters. We are selecting ABC, they are selecting XYZ. That is the difference only. I'm giving complete training based on the real-time examples only. I'm providing these notes. You can't get these notes in this video, but it's already available in my previous videos. If you want to download these notes and Excel file, you have to check my SAP MM Telugu videos. If you are comfortable with Telugu, already I taught complete course in Telugu language, that is a SAP MM ECC version. If, if you are willing to learn SAP, better to learn first from ECC, then come to SAP S4 upgraded version. Then you will find out what is the differences between SAP S4 HANA and ECC versions. Today, I am going to explain how to create a company. For company creation, process is same for ECC version and S4 HANA. If you want to find out difference, first go to my ECC version video. Please watch that complete video and come to this video. And ECC versions videos, I explained everything, but in these videos I don't want to explain theory part. Why? Because already I provided a notes. I don't want to extend video time. But why? Because I am getting issues in at the time of uploading. This is the interface. First I will start from beginning. First you have to search in your search box SAP. Then you will get this kind of logo. It is same for ECC version and S4 HANA. Some people's asking for how to do practice is asking like that. I can't provide any server, but you will get from market. You have to pay 1000 2000 per 3 months or 1 month. You have to pay. Double click on SAP logo, then you will get this kind of interface. In the connection sections, you will get this kind of connections. For SAP HANA, I have a one connection. I'm clicking on this SAP link. Then you will get this kind of interface. You have to put your credential. My client is 100. Depends on your server, you will get your client. Language is EN. I'm entering my user ID and password. For SAP login, password management, I did a video. Please go and watch that video. Then you will get more idea about password management. For company creation, You can create it two types. One is transactional code, T code. It is a shortcut method. Otherwise, you can create it as a navigation. I will show you the navigation path first. See, this transactional code is OX15 for company creation, or you can create with navigation. It is called as a path also. SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, define financial accounting, define company, enter, then new entries. You can enter as per your requirements. First, I will show the T code OX15. You will get this kind of interface. Second way is navigation. I'll show navigation also. SPRO. First, what is SPRO? I'm entering SPRO in my transactional block box. Slash and SPRO. Then click on enter in your keyboard. Then you will get this kind of interface. What is the next step? IMG. I wrote as a shortcut, but it is a SAP reference IMG. Click on this. Then you will get this kind of interface. Then what is the enterprises structure? Enterprises structure here. See, you click on enterprises structure now, you can't get anything. But in a completely opposite side, you have a small symbol. Click on that arrow symbol. You will get define. Click on define. Again, I'm not getting anything. You have to click this arrow button. Then what is next option? Financial accounting, company related finance. That's the reason you have to go in financial accounting. What is this? Define company. See what is the you can observe clearly. Earlier steps we have a arrow button, but now we have a clock symbol. Same like that, you can't click define company, but you should click on clock symbol. I'm clicking on clock symbol. You will get this kind of interface. Same interface we can get directly through OX15 also, but better at the time of practice, do a practice through navigation. Sometimes most of the times I'm creating through T codes. Why? Because I want to save time. I want to reduce video step. That's the reason I'm preferring T code sometimes. Sometimes I'm preferring navigation. But two process I'm providing in notes. You have to read complete notes. Then click on new entries. Company code is a 6 digits. You can enter up to 6 digits, or else you can enter 4 digits also. That depends on you. I'm created one Excel file to create company. You will get this kind of requirement from your client. Same like that. My organization data, I want to create Samrat. My company code is Samrat. Description is Samrat Enterprises. Location Hyderabad. Pin code 501401. Same like that. You will get requirement from your customer. Just I am enter only 4 details, but you will get complete address. You will get GST number. You will get in all required details. You will get. For practicing purpose, I am showing only few things. My company code is Samrat. I'm entering Samrat. My company name is Samrat Enterprises. Street name Hyderabad 501401. Postal code city, country IN, language EN, currency INR. You have to enter all those details. Then click on enter in your keyboard. Then save it. You will get this kind of customizing request. Based on your company name, I'm changing. It is showing Tata Group. I want my request. Create a request. I'm clicking on create a request. I'm changing description Samrat Enterprises. Then saving. You will get this request number is changed. Short description also changed Samrat Enterprises. My company is saved. This is the process for company creation. Already I created this video in ECC version in Telugu language and Hindi language also. If you are not comfortable with Telugu, watch Hindi and compare two videos. Then you will get what is the difference between ECC version and S4 HANA. See earlier my videos, here it is ECC. Now it is showing S4 HANA 2023. It is a latest version. My graphic user interface also it is a latest. Now 8, I think 900 is 900 also available. But I'm telling graphic user interface 800 GUI. It is called as a GUI. It is a graphic interface. Already I created number of videos. This is my channel interface. This is a playlist. SAP MM Material Management. 47 lessons is available. In 47 classes, I completely covered SAP MM. This is a end users and short videos, some Excel videos also available. If you found any errors, for errors also I created a playlist. This is the playlist for errors. Approximately it is 12 videos available. You will get notes in this playlist. SAP MM, SAP Material Management Telugu. In 47 videos, I provided notes and Excel link randomly 5 videos. If you want SAP MM notes or if you want SAP MM Excel, you have to check these videos. Hope this video is useful for you. If you are willing to learn SAP, please subscribe this channel. Click on bell icon. Give your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.